What's up, guys? I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. That last video that I posted, my first ever YouTube video, go check it out. It's been nothing but love. You guys have liked it, have sent me text messages, have messaged me on Instagram, and I really appreciate it. It means a lot. And you know, it's like I said, I don't have any money, I don't have any properties, I have nothing. I'm just getting started, but I know that you can do this without nothing. I'm gonna prove it to you. I will show you that it can be done, and I want you to join me, and hopefully you can learn and get something out of these videos, because that's what it's for. These are things that I wish I would have known in the process of learning about real estate investing, and I just want to help make it easier for others to do the same, to invest and have a good experience and just have fun with it. So we're gonna build an empire, so let's jump into the video. Guys, I also wanna say that whatever you're doing in the world, whether it's sports, whether it's music, whatever it is, you need to get out there, you need to be doing it, and you need to post about it, you need to share about it, you need to teach people about it, because people love that stuff. They love to learn, they love to grow along with you. So get doing it and tag me in your stuff. I wanna see it too, because hey, if you're supporting me, I'm supporting you. So tag me in your stuff, I wanna see it. All right, guys, today I wanna talk about what the best way to get started in real estate investing is. And before I get to that, I do wanna say that when I started learning, I knew nothing. And I started learning about like buy and hold properties with single family homes. And I was like, okay, cool. Like I thought that was the way to go. And then through learning, I realized that there are so many different real estate strategies, so many different ways to go about it, and there are kind of levels to it. No one ever explained it to me like that. I started realizing over time, and now I kind of see a little bit about it, but I want to make this clear to you guys. One of the best ways to get started is wholesaling. Now, I'll make another video that goes more in depth about it, but I want to keep this one short and simple. Wholesaling real estate, you've probably seen signs on the road that say, we buy houses cash, we buy houses fast, all the different, we buy foreclosed houses or pre-foreclosed houses, we buy damaged houses, everything, divorce houses, all these different things. You've probably heard of them, and that's what wholesaling is. It's basically, in simple terms, you're basically going and finding these properties. You're finding a distressed property, you're gonna put it under contract in your name, like you were gonna buy the property, and you're gonna get it at a discount because it needs to be fixed. And what you're gonna do is you are going to put that under your name, like I said, in a contract. And then you will go to other investors. People advertise them in Facebook groups, people advertise them on the internet, everywhere. And what you're gonna do is you will then, whatever the purchase price is of that property that you got on a discount, you're then gonna sell it to an investor, but you'll mark it up another 10 grand, 20 grand, whatever the deal is. If you can get it, you could sometimes get a $50,000 wholesale fee. It just depends how the numbers work out, and if whatever the investor that you transfer that to, if their numbers work out for a fix and flip, because that's what they're gonna do to the property, they're gonna get their money by fix and flipping it. If their numbers work out with you getting a $20,000 wholesale fee, then awesome. They're gonna do it because they'll still make, maybe 50,000 on a flip, and it works for them. Sometimes they'll say, maybe they'll negotiate. They'll say they want it for a little less, and that's fine. You just have to decide, okay, do you want to take that out of your wholesale fee, or are you going to try and go back and negotiate the contract with the seller? And that's what wholesaling is in a nutshell. It's just like anything in business. You're buying low, selling high. You're not buying the property, you're just finding the property. You never have to use your money. You may, if you decide to negotiate in a contract, put an earnest money down of like a couple $100s or a couple $1,000s, but you can always get that back. If things don't work out, you can get that back. So there's not a ton of risk. You do end up spending money when you start marketing. There are ways to market free, and I'll cover that in my next video. But there also are ways to market and pay for leads, and they both work. Just, you know, depends on your strategy, what you want to do, how you're going to go about things. It's your business. So the reason I talk about wholesaling is because I'm currently doing that right now. I haven't wholesaled a deal yet. So anybody that wants to say, oh, this guy thinks this and this, and I'm straight up honest with you. I haven't wholesaled real estate yet. That's the purpose of this channel. I've started from the very beginning so I can show you everything that I'm doing with real estate. So I'm working on it right now. I'm currently marketing and finding those leads and, you know, making offers. Wholesaling is a good strategy for people that have no money. If they're trying to, you know, if they're trying to build up money so that they can get doing other things in real estate, it's awesome for them because they can either use no money or little money out of their pocket and end up having, you know, tens of thousands of dollars. And you could do 5 wholesale deals for 10 grand each, and you'll have 50,000, and that might take you a few months. And honestly, a few deals would allow me to make more than I do right now. And that's crazy to me. If I think how many deals I could do just to make my income right now, it's only a few deals. And that just blows my mind. Like, that's the stuff that excites me. I can do this, I can build up capital, and then I can go invest in, you know, buy and holds or short-term rentals or do some fix and flips. Whatever I decide to do, I can then do it because I have money. Now, if you have a lot of money, that might not be the strategy for you. Maybe that doesn't sound interesting. I don't know what your situation is, but you could always go buy rental properties right now if you have money, or you could do fix and flip and get another, you know, 40, 50, 60 grand on top of that, then go buy some rental properties. There's so many ways to go about it, and this isn't the only, you know, wholesaling isn't the only way to start. That's what I want to get clear to you guys. It's just one of the ways. And by no means is it easy. It sounds easy when people talk about it, but there is a lot of work that goes into it. You're marketing, you're cold calling, you're driving for dollars, you're putting out signs, you're making ads on the internet, you are, you know, doing SMS, text blasting, you're sending direct mailers. There's so many things that you're doing behind the scenes that, you know, when people talk about it, it sounds easy, but just remember it's possible. You can do it. You have to put in the work, and that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm working on my first deal. So in my next video, I'll dive even deeper and I'll talk more in depth about wholesaling, how to do it, kind of the steps so that you can get started and you can make money today. Thanks for joining me on another video, guys. Like I said, I'm ecstatic. I feel your love, I feel your support, and I want to see you do big deals. Let me know what you want to learn, what you want to know, what the process is. If you've wholesaled before, if you haven't, you know, maybe some of the roadblocks you're in right now, let me know and let's grow together. Let's help each other. Let's bounce ideas, bounce suggestions off of each other. So let's get that first deal. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want to learn, like I said, and we'll see you in the next video. See you guys.